In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up BuddyBoss like Circle.so in this comparison guide. To get started, you first need the WordPress foundation in place because BuddyBoss runs on WordPress. That means having your domain, web hosting, WordPress installed, an SSL certificate for security, and access to your WordPress admin area. Once that base is ready, you can move into the actual community setup. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then Add New, then Upload Plugin. Install and activate the BuddyBoss components you purchased. After that, head into the BuddyBoss settings and configure the basic community options so the platform starts behaving like a real member community instead of a default site. Next, go to Appearance and then Themes and install the BuddyBoss theme you want to use. Spend some time customizing the logo, colors, fonts, header, navigation, homepage, and footer. This part matters more than people think, because branding helps your community feel polished and intentional. After that, create your community homepage. Think of this as the equivalent of Circle's main feed. A strong homepage can welcome members and highlight the latest discussions, member activity, featured content, upcoming events, courses, and the member directory. The goal is to make it easy for members to instantly see what's happening. Then enable member profiles so users can upload a profile photo and cover image, add a bio, and display their activity, groups, connections, and courses. This gives your site a more social, searchable community feel, similar to the profile experience people expect from modern platforms. Now create your community groups based on topics. For example, you might have a general community, announcements, marketing, business owners, questions and help, and a VIP members area. In BuddyBoss, groups are the closest match to Circle spaces and space groups, so organize them in a way that feels clear for your members. For each group, choose the right privacy setting: public, private, or hidden. This lets you shape different member experiences and control discovery.